Dozen people will be assisting the state's newly elected Attorney General. Russell Coleman will be sworn in along with the other constitutional officers in January. But today he announced the people who will help set up the new office. Reporter Phil Pendleton has more on that process, along with what some of Coleman's priorities will be starting next year.
Lining up inside the state capitol rotunda were 26 men and women Tuesday, those appointed to help Russell Coleman transition into the office of Attorney General.
These men and women represent the best of our Commonwealth in their various industries, from their regions, and in public service.
He says they are attorneys, prosecutors, public servants, and law officers. And he says they all share the common goals to fight drug abuse and violence, along with other issues that are causing people to struggle.
Or the fact that this is the most dangerous item in your home, opening the door to those that target our kids or our parents or our grandparents for fraud.
Over the past several decades, you've seen a common trend. You've seen the Attorney General representing one party, the governor representing the other, and that is the case this time as well. And instead of butting heads, Coleman says he does look forward to collaborating with the governor's office. He says he congratulated Andy Beshear on his win, and he says working together will benefit Kentucky families. Coleman also says his promise is to defend the Constitution and the laws passed by the lawmakers.
And that is the role of that corner office there of the Attorney General, is to defend and execute statutes. It's passed by the third floor in this building, our legislature. That's how I approach these cases.
Coleman says the office's focus on fighting crime will target public corruption, violence, and child exploitation, as well as the assistance for county prosecutors.
Coleman says his deputy attorney general will be former U.S. Attorney Rob Duncan, and his senior counsel is former state senator Will Schroeder.